Okay, Toby said remember to whistle. Yep, I think I can do this. They don't know I always come back. I'll show you, Northwestern Railway! What could have happened? It's none of your business, wasting your time with him. Oh, don't you start now!
Just let him come on, let him have it!
Oh, a duel! How very delightful! Alright, it's just you and me now. Go on, see what you can do. Try and get me off these tracks! Oh, I will make you move off the tracks! Go on, try and make me! I'm being serious this time, and this is the last warning! Is that it? Because you're no match for me. Maybe. But you're no match for me and my brake van. Playing hard now, are we? You have caused nothing but trouble for all of us! Giving us all delays! And continuing your insanity! You teapots on rails are the insanity to me! Take that!
Good heavens, you knocked it off the track!
Oh, a poppable foul.
Are you kidding? We won!
Shut up! Get back on board!